an Italian explorer, was one of the brave sailors and ventured out to find out the sea route to India. He started his journey and reached not to the west but eastern side and reached the America. Here, a people live inhabitant are known as a Red Indian, the island and the Caribbean and known as the West Indies. Gama, a native of Portuguese, discovered the sea route to India. He reached the Cape of Good Hope in South Africa and reached the port of Calicut in 22nd May 1498. After crossing the Indian Ocean, he reached the king of Calicut named Zamorin. The Portuguese established a fort of Calicut trade in the 15th century. They fortified it and chiefed the namely Abu Bakr to safeguard the fort. Now see the picture. Vasco da Gama take a permission from Zamorin. Now see that after the span of 100 years, the Portuguese took control over Mangalore, Cochin, Goa, Diu, Mumbai and island of Lanka. In the 17th century, many European people came to India for the trade. The Dutch people, after 100 years, they come to India in the 16th century. They started their trade business at Pulicat, Madras, Pondicherry, etc. In 1663, meanwhile, the Britishers also want to trade with India. Now the Britishers take a permission of Queen Elizabeth in 1600th century and found a East India Company. The first ship of India arrival in India at the port of Surat in 1608. The Captain W. Hawkins take a permission and start a trade with India. The French people also wanted to do the business. The French East India Company in year 1664, they established factory in Surat, Machilipatnam, Pondicherry, etc. But in the competition of European, the French people did not stand, so they control over only Pondicherry and Madras, etc. Now British started its trade in West Bengal near river Hooghly. In 1651, they got permission from Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb and trade with paying tax against a annual trade. By this time, East India Company was in the race and more money per order passed in Bengal, only company avail the benefit of tax-free. Oliver the Khan, a Nawab of Bengal, did not like to do the trade with English people. After Oliver the Khan, his son Siraj-ud-Dowlah come on the throne and he come many time conflict with the Britisher. The Britisher take a advantage of some and do the conspiracy with Mirzapur, a army chief of Siraj-ud-Dowlah. The battle was fought between Siraj-ud-Dowlah and English under the leadership of Robert Clive. In the war, Sirajuddaula was defeated and murdered. Now, Mirzapur became Nawab, but he did not give any taxes properly to the English people. So English dethroned him and put a Mir Qasim in the form of a Mirzapur. Mir Qasim was by nature independent, clever ruler, and well disciplined. He did not like that English people can interfere in their political matter of the state. So many times Mir Qasim have conflict with the Britisher. Now there is a war between Mir Qasim combined with Mirzapur with a Nawab of Oudh, Mughal Emperor Shah Alam, and then the war with English in 1764. The British won the battle and then a Mirzapur became a Nawab. But after the death of Mirzapur in 1765, Robert Clive became the Nawab. Thus, English people started rule in India. Now, dear student, I have written a question answer in the book, so please note down it.